guys, your boy Phones Up, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing another requested video. This time it's gonna be Attack on Titan. Vogel. Guys, they told me to like do a reaction of this soundtrack, but I choose to do like the AMV because somebody, as I said in one of my videos, somebody told me to react to the AMVs, right? It will be much more fun. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like. Comment down below any other anime opening AMVs or soundtracks you want me to react to of any other anime. Subscribe if you're new, hit that bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And let's get into this reaction. Isn't that like the starting of like Attack on Titan though? I think. Well, I thought it was this. So it's so like Attack on Titan started. Who's this guy? This soundtrack feels like more of like a relaxing one, and like maybe also reminiscing of how like the town used to be, how peaceful it was, and now like see what happened now. The Titans came from, I don't even know where they came from. That's my fault. I wonder where like the Titans came from when I started watching like Attack on Titan. I'll see. Look at how peaceful they are. To me, if I was in like this place, I wouldn't really feel safe, even though how strong like the soldiers are in this, because you are within a wall. And like when I saw the first episode of it, and that giant like Titan, I don't even know how these guys are strong enough to fight those things, bro. Dude, that's so dark. That's so dark. What the heck? I remember like watching the first episode of this, and I was telling my brother, why does it got women and children as like the Titans? How did the women and children become a Titan? Then my brother told me like those Titans don't really got gender. I'm like, why though? Do they really got gender? I feel your pain, my nigga. Feel your pain. Ah, dude. Ooh, bruh, no. Man, I feel that. No one shall be meaningless. Try to be. Was it no one shall be meaningless? Oh, yeah, I missed. Whoa. Tag team. Get his ass. Wait, what? Whoa, dude. Wait for like. Interesting. That was really an amazing quote. Anyways, if you guys like enjoyed this reaction, I really enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed this one. If you guys got any other like anime opening or AMVs you want me to react to or song chat, comment it down below. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell. You'll be hit that bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. It's your boy Phone Star and I'm phone out, guys. Peace. Later. Have a good one, guys.
I've been fasting, saving this money in my pocket. Pocket so fat, can't use no wallet. These morals got me on my body, and I've been